Hey, so today I am back to share with you tips that I have and that I use myself when it comes to eyeshadow. So today I'll show you how I got this really easy, simple brown smoky eye. It's really easy. This is really good for beginners who want to get into eyeshadow. So if you want to see how I got this brown smoky eye, just keep on watching. So for me, I would never put eyeshadow directly onto my bare skin or my bare eyelid right here. I don't have on any makeup like on my eyelid right here, so I would never just start to apply eyeshadow. I always go in with a concealer. You can actually buy an eyeshadow base, but you can also use a concealer too, a lighter color concealer for your eyeshadow. If you're doing like a colorful eyeshadow look, you can do like a white base for your eyeshadow, or you can just use a lighter color concealer for your eyeshadow. But you never want to just apply eyeshadow directly onto your eyelid without putting down a base first. For my eyeshadow base today, I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This one is in the shade Deep Chestnut, so I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow base for today. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of concealer right onto my eyelid. So like I said, you never want to apply eyeshadow directly onto your skin without putting down a base, which is a concealer or an eyeshadow base, because your skin has like natural oils on it. So you never want to just like apply eyeshadow, like a powdered eyeshadow, onto your skin without putting down a base first. To blend out this concealer, I'm going to use this e.l.f. concealer brush. It's really soft and it blends out my concealer really good, so I'm going to use this. And you just want to blend this out as if you were blending out your under eye concealer. You can also use a beauty sponge to blend this out also. So you just want to make sure you have an even layer of concealer on your eyelid. So I have applied my concealer onto my eyelid. I'm not going to set my concealer with powder. So we're just going to go straight in with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this Profusion eyeshadow palette. This one is really good for beginners because it has a mixture of colorful eyeshadows, and then it has the nude or neutral eyeshadows right here on the side. I am going to take this dark brown shade right here, and I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush. I like to use this type of eyeshadow brush to pack on eyeshadow onto my eyelids. Now I'm ready to apply my eyeshadow, so I'm going to take the brush that I have the brown eyeshadow on. I'm just going to pack it onto my lid. So you just want to tap it onto your eyelid. You don't want to swipe it, just tap it, because you want to pack on the eyeshadow. So as you're tapping, it's almost like you're blending it out too. So when I apply my eyeshadow, I like to go above my crease just so that you can see my eyeshadow. So if you're wearing lashes, you can actually take your eyeshadow up above your crease just a little bit. Or you can just keep it right onto your mobile eyelid. So now that I have my brown eyeshadow packed onto my eyelid, I'm going to take a soft blending brush. I like to use this one. This one is from Morphe. It's a Morphe M441 brush. It's just like a big blending brush for your eyeshadow. So I like to use this one when I'm doing like blown out, like smoky eye looks. So I'm going to take this brush. I don't have on any eyeshadow on this brush, so I'm just going to take this brush and go do like windshield wiping motions on my eyelid to further blend out my eyeshadow. So you can also drag your eyeshadow out if you want to. Sometimes I do that, but for today, I'm just going to stop right here at the tail end of my eyebrow. eyeshadow blended out the way that I want it. So now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and just go on the outer edge of my eye just to like darken up my eyeshadow. To finish off the eye look, you can add highlighter to the inner corner of your eye, or you can add highlighter to like underneath your eyebrow, right up on your brow bone. So I like to highlight right here underneath my brow bone. You can also do a wing eyeliner, or you can add lashes. You don't have to. You can actually just finish off using a mascara, but I'm actually going to add eyeliner and some lashes. To finish off my eye look, I'm going to line my eyelid with a liquid eyeliner. So those are my tips that I have and that I use when I do my eyeshadow looks. So you want to make sure you have a really good base for your eyeshadow. Never apply your eyeshadow to your bare skin. And also just make sure you have a really good blending brush, like a good blending eyeshadow brush.